from the future. This territory I'm used to. There's nothing new, I remember you. Unforgettable, I remember you. I remember you. From memories from the future. Memories from the future.
Welcome to AIONAI, your go-to place for anything AI related. Without any further delays, I like to keep it short. So for this video, I'm going to focus on the Microsoft AI tour that will be taking place January the 23rd, 2025 at the Sandton Convention Centre. If you have requested and were accepted, you should have received an email asking for you to come make your badge. Preferably the day before. I think there's some benefits, but we'll get into that without any further delays. Let's jump straight into it.
Okay, so you're gonna go to AIONAI.co.za, go to events, just click on the tour. Okay, it looks like there's a request to attend. Maybe it's still available, but yeah, like I said, 23rd of January 2025. Learn directly from industry leaders, Microsoft partner experts. Explore topics like Azure AI Foundry, using generative AI for threat intelligence for detection, and accelerate your AI reinvention journey from pilot to production. Okay, let's just see what will be happening. Attend innovative keynote. Attend sessions and workshops. Experience the Connection Hub. Meet with featured partners. These are the speakers. We'll browse more. See if you know me there. We did a video on Lelapa AI. Okay, let's see all the speakers. I'm not gonna go through all of them. I'll just show them. You guys will pause if you see somebody interesting that you know maybe. But these are all the speakers. Okay, let's go back. Okay, now let's browse the sessions. These are the events that will be taking place. So first one, simplify your life with Copilot. That's from 8 a.m. to 8:15. And the next one, drive secure AI innovations in financial services. So I think there will be different breakouts depending on what it is you major or you're interested in. You will choose your breakout. So it's 8:15 to 9. Another breakout, it's maximize revenue growth across retail value chain with AI. Same time. Another breakout room is the next steps to adopting AI in government. We'll probably attend that. Okay. Transforming telecoms with AI. Those are the guests. Artificial intelligence models for developers, easy and free with GitHub models. So this is a discussion. I'm guessing maybe we can all attend this. The next one is accelerate AI transformation with AI skill building. Leading in the age of AI transformation. Bilonomi will be there, so most probably attend that one. We did a video on the Lapa AI. Check it out. Then there's imposter syndrome, banishing spell in the era of AI. Okay, yeah, so these are the rooms. I'm just gonna scroll through them. You guys can just check them out or visit the website. Try to see if you can still request. I'm recording this on the 21st. Yeah, so just 2 days before the event. Tomorrow we'll be getting our badge. Okay, so yeah, just continue checking out the events. I'll scroll through all of them. Yep, I think these are the last ones. So cloud infrastructure for AI transformation, secure your future in the age of AI. Use semantic kernel to enhance your application with AI. So about 4:25 p.m. It's gonna be a long and very insightful day. Let's go.
That's it from me. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was insightful and helps you prepare for the tour. AI on AI will be there on the scene getting information for you. So what you could do for me, like, share, subscribe, all of that shiny. I'm out. Peace. Good call.
Memories from the future.